In today's video, I am going to teach you how to give access on Hostinger in just a few simple steps. Whether you are working with a developer, a designer, or someone helping you manage your website, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and confidently. By the end, you will know exactly how to share access without compromising the security of your account. So let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and heading over to the Hostinger website. If you have not bookmarked it yet, simply type Hostinger into your address bar and visit the homepage. Hostinger is known for offering easy to use hosting tools, so the platform is designed to be simple even for beginners. Once you arrive on the homepage, look toward the top right corner where you will see the login button. Click on it and enter the email and password linked to your account. If you prefer logging in with Google or another method, follow the prompts. After you successfully sign in, you will be taken to the Hostinger control panel, also known as the H panel. This is where you manage your hosting plans, settings, domains, websites, and access permissions. Now that you are inside the H panel, navigate to the home section. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout because understanding where things are will make future tasks much easier. For giving someone access, look for the option called account sharing. This feature allows you to bring in collaborators without sharing your personal login details, which keeps your account safe. Click on account sharing and you will be directed to the access management page. Here you will see a button labeled grant access. Go ahead and click it to start the process. You will be asked to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Make sure it is typed correctly because the invitation will be sent directly to that address. After entering the email, choose the permission level you want to give. Hostinger allows you to select different types of access, depending on what the person needs to work on. This way, you stay in control while still allowing someone to help. Once everything looks correct, click Confirm to finalize the invitation. The person will receive an email with steps to accept the access, and that's all there is to it. You have now successfully given access on Hostinger. This feature makes collaboration easier and more secure, especially when working with teams or professionals. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a reminder. Happy hosting!